56-inch fan over on the line industrial. Here's a Ultra Air HVLS This is an Ultra Air HVLS ceiling fan from the top view. Yeah, this fan is at the south entrance down there. This is the top view. And that's it. Yeah, look at this. Brand new EnviroNorth Axiom ceiling fans in my Home Depot. There's another one over there. I wonder if there's any more. We also got a bunch of can arms. Let's see if there's a can arm over there. Two more can arms over here. And there's another EnviroNorth Axiom down there. Oh, I can't go too far, unfortunately. Oh, here's a Banville and PowerFan bronze line over here. I just noticed that. Looks like these probably might have replaced a few can arms. Let's check out here, this area over here where the first Axiom is. There is a can arm, and down there is another can arm. That's it. Anyways, here's more can arms, and another EnviroNorth Axiom. This is part 2. The last part, I only filmed the part 2 in the first half. More can arms. They're just everywhere. Okay, there's no way I'll be able to film all of the fans. Just one, and one above me. Channel. And an EnviroNorth Axiom. Oh. More EnviroNorth and 2 extra can arms. That's it.